What if I told you there's a robot that walks through swamps and a claw that digs like it's on a caffeine rush? Welcome to the wild world of machines. These are the Trench Kings, the Sludge Slayers, the ultimate gadget gladiators. Let's dive into the top machines that clean, crush, and conquer the dirtiest jobs on Earth. This machine sounds like a transformer, and honestly, it might be. The HOOBY LC90 Megatronic 7 doesn't just clean ditches, it conquers them like a sci-fi villain with hydraulic arms. One minute it's trimming a bank, next minute it's leveling terrain like it owns the planet. This beast is the eco-warrior of the waterways. The Enviro Dredge glides through lakes and rivers like a robot swan, if that swan ate sludge for breakfast and pooped out clean flow channels. Saving nature, one muddy gulp at a time. Who gave a tricycle hydraulic arms? The Conver C10s is like your childhood bike got a job cleaning ditches and never looked back. It zips around on 3 wheels, sucks up sludge, and probably laughs at full-size tractors stuck in the mud. This thing doesn't clean the bottom of a canal, it shoves it into next week. The ADC Silt Pusher is basically a bulldozer for underwater grime. If dirt had feelings, this machine would definitely hurt them. With a name like Lukasiewicz, you know it means business. This Polish powerhouse looks like a science fair project, if that project could reshape terrain and make ditches smoother than a jazz solo. Functional, freaky, and fantastic. Don't let the tongue twister name fool you. This Czech road ditch cutter is a precision beast. Armed with a rotary cutter head and serious side reach, it chews through roadside overgrowth like it's trimming its own beard. Road crews love it, bushes fear it. With legs like a robot from a sci-fi jungle, the Spyder ditch cleaner handles terrain regular machines cry over. Its extendable arms, hydraulic claws, and off-road stance let it straddle ditches, clean like a surgeon, and pose like it wants a movie deal. This one's part mower, part bucket, and fully unbothered. Attach it to your excavator and boom, you're mowing, mulching, and scooping all at once. Perfect for lazy landscapers or efficient maniacs who like to do everything in one pass. Meet the ditch digging perfectionist. The Hyundai R220LC-9A with a V-ditch bucket carves trenches like it's icing a cake. It slices perfect angles, ensures smooth flow, and still has enough muscle to lift your cousin's car out of the mud. This green monster from Poland is all about sidearm efficiency. The Samasz ditch cleaner extends like a chameleon's tongue, whirls its cutting head, and flings away grass like it's allergic to clutter. Smooth ditches, fast finishes, zero complaints. This Dutch ditch cleaning squad rolls in like a precision pit crew. Their multi-arm machines handle everything, mowing, scooping, shaping ditches, while the operators make it look like casual joystick ballet. Efficiency so sharp, even the weeds wave goodbye. Say hello to the ditch cleaning train that never runs late. Built by Hemos Machinebouw, this Slootreiniger, yes it is fun to say, uses a rotating cutting drum, a conveyor belt, and a hydraulic arm to vacuum up sludge like it's ditch season on Black Friday. This isn't just a ditch cleaner, it's a hydraulic sniper. With pinpoint control and a boom arm that stretches like a gymnast, the LS Pro is perfect for roadside ditches, riverbanks, and anywhere nature tries to overgrow. It cleans with the calm precision of a hitman in overalls. Why build bridges when you can walk on water? The Relong Amphibious dredger crawls into swamps, floats in lakes, and dredges out sludge with a long-reach arm like Poseidon doing yard work. It's part boat, part beast, and 100% built for chaos. This model looks like the ditch cleaner took steroids. It features an advanced telescopic boom, a powerful rotating drum, and a custom conveyor to haul the dirt like a pro. If ditches had nightmares, this is what would chase them. Old but gold, the Daewoo 140 LCV is like the grandpa of ditching, experienced, steady, and not afraid to get dirty. With a modified bucket and V-shaping finesse, it carves out perfect trenches like it's writing calligraphy in the mud. This one's got a name like a superhero, and claws to match. The Otter Claw features a custom hydraulic grab arm that scoops, grips, and flings muck with otter-like agility. It doesn't just clean ditches, it dominates them, while looking oddly adorable. Simple, deadly, and shaped like a ninja star. This V-ditching bucket turns your excavator into a trench-slicing samurai. It angles the ditch just right for water flow, erosion control, and bonus points for symmetry. Who knew dirt work could be this satisfying? This French-Italian duo is like a fine espresso with a hydraulic twist. The Renault Ergos 100 pairs with the Fissore arm to dance along ditch lines with surgical grace. Lightweight, agile, and stylish. If ditch cleaning was a fashion show, they'd win Best Dressed. Which machine blew your mind? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next gear grinding showdown.